Now, then we come to okay, fungi खाली disease तो नहीं cause करते हैं. They are helping us. Then how they are helping us? They are helping us कि जो पदार्थ सड़ गल रहे होते हैं उसे वो क्या करते हैं, खा पी जाते हैं, खा पी के बराबर कर देते हैं. Yes, yes. So this is called as the decomposition. This phenomenon, this process is called as the decomposition. Okay. So fungi are the decomposers. Fungi are the decomposer and ecologically important. Now, but yes, as we are discussing the chapter called as the pathogenic microorganism, and the very word pathogenic means is a disease causing. So fungi, of course, they will cause a disease. Yes. So the category of disease which is caused by the fungi, we call it as the mycosis. We call it as the mycosis. Clear? Now, what else we discussed? Yeah. As a study of bacteria is called as the bacteriology, as a study of virus is called as the virology, in the same way the study of fungi is called as the mycology. Clear? Yes. Now, the another thing which we discuss is that fungi अपना बच्चे को कैसे पैदा करते हैं. In the simple layman language, how fungi will reproduce. The thing is, fungi asexual mode अपनाते हैं. जब कभी वो सुखी रहते हैं, अपने आप को आनंद महसूस करते हैं, खुश रहते हैं, in their calm, happy mood, or you can say the situations, they will perform the asexual mode of reproduction. But जब उन्हें दुख आ जाता है, खाना पीना खाने के लिए नहीं रहता है, वो मरने लगते हैं, on that time वो बच्चे पैदा करते हैं through the sexual reproduction. Clear? And sexual reproduction में वो क्या करते हैं, तो वो इंसान को तो नहीं पैदा करेंगे of course. इंसान जैसे मुंह कान नाक वाले आदमी को तो पैदा नहीं करने वाले हैं. Yes, they are not producing the human-like babies. They are producing the spore babies. They are producing the spore babies. The sexual reproduction is in the form of spore. Clear? Yes? Yes, fine. Now you understood, everyone, no? Yes, or else I can use the Bhojpuri language. No need, no? It's wastage of time. Fine.